Deniliquin is a good place for the students to come to. We have a few facilities that can be hands-on for learning. We have a small community. They'll feel at home. They won't be feeling unsafe. Denny is a great country location. It's still not too far from the city. The accommodation is a lot more affordable and you're not in traffic. After a long day on placement, because it is tiring, you don't have to go far to get home. You'll have more time to do what you want to do after hours, study or go for the river walk or go down the street for a coffee. We also have time to spend with students and we want to foster their learning and enhance their learning to get them on their learning journey, to become an RN and get them into the field. That's what Deniliquin can provide.
The staff and university have been so great at communicating. The culture is amazing at Nabarina. They make you feel really welcomed. I've learned how to interact with the residents and different skills on how to do skin assessments, using the mobility aids, using all that theory and that knowledge that I've learnt with the university and putting those skills to use has been really good to learn hands-on and just help set that learning in place. The thing I've loved most about my time here in Deniliquin is probably after finishing my shift, going for a walk around the lake or the river and just learning about the culture and the different things they have to offer. I have had a few special moments with residents, just getting to know their life story, what brought them here and who they were outside of the facility as well. I think it's easy to forget that they are still humans and they deserve that respect as well, and it's been nice getting to know them as a person, not just a resident.
Usually when things like this happen to go into aged nursing, there's been some huge change in your life, such as for my case, the death of my partner. My family all came to me at that time, naturally enough, and found this beautiful home for me. First year students, when they come here, they are buddied and with nursing staff, and they'll come into my room and we'll talk about each other. They'll talk about their schooling, but we'll move on to their families and why they've always wanted to be a nurse and why that they're interested in aged nursing and this is what they really want to do. When I ask why, they'll often say, well, my nana was in a nursing home and when I was little, I'd go to visit her. And I think it's so important to let them see that there is such a happy side in here, a homeliness, and that they're comfortable to come and talk to us about anything. And I think that's important for them and for us. It's nice to be needed.
Getting on this placement, first I was very scared. I don't know how it's gonna be, but people are really great over here. So everyone is very welcoming and you feel so safe and confident here and you learn a lot. I always want to be in the medical field, help the people, and nursing was the best thing to do. In the big cities, I have heard like you don't get much attention, but here, if you are in a small town, say like Deniliquin, it's a very good chance to learn your skills. Deniliquin is beautiful. I have seen there are lots of parks, gardens here. Some coffee shops are here really good. Our supervisor, Cassie, she really helped us in looking around. After work is also a lot of activities to do. A lot of get-togethers, a lot of interactions. The community is really great. People all knew each other. They come and smile to you. They talk to you. This part, I really love it.
To students who are choosing to do their placement in Deniliquin, I'd say go for it. It's been a really good opportunity and experience, and I've loved every minute of it so far because it's a lot more than just aged care. It's been really rewarding and something special.